Have you ever wondered why certain situations trigger you deeply? Or why you sometimes react in ways you don't fully understand? The answer often lies in what we call the shadow self. Shadow work is the courageous practice of uncovering these hidden parts of you, the aspects buried deep within your unconscious mind. And when you bring them into the light, something powerful happens. You begin to heal, transform, and reclaim your wholeness. What is the shadow? The term shadow was introduced by psychologist Carl Jung. It refers to the hidden aspects of our personality, the parts we suppress, deny, or reject. These can include negative traits like anger, fear, or shame. The shadow is not bad. It's simply the unseen, the unacknowledged. It lives in the unconscious, silently influencing your emotions and behaviors. What is shadow work? Shadow work is the process of bringing these hidden aspects into awareness. It's about shining light on what has been suppressed, so you can integrate it instead of being controlled by it. For example, if you deny your anger, it may erupt unexpectedly or turn inward as self-criticism. Through shadow work, you reclaim these lost pieces of yourself. It's not about destroying the shadow. It's about embracing it with compassion, so it transforms into strength. Why is shadow work important? The shadow shows itself in many ways. Through emotional triggers, repeating relationship patterns, self-sabotage. If left unseen, the shadow controls us unconsciously. But when we face it, we gain freedom. Shadow work helps you heal old wounds, release limiting beliefs, strengthen relationships by reducing projection, and step into authenticity and wholeness. The truth is, you cannot become whole by only embracing your light. Wholeness comes when you integrate your darkness too. How to begin shadow work? So, how do you start practicing shadow work? Here are some simple ways. 1. Notice your triggers. When something provokes a strong reaction, ask, what part of me is this reflecting? 2. Journal your shadows. Write down hidden emotions, thoughts or desires you usually avoid. 3. Mirror work. Look into your own eyes and acknowledge both your light and your shadow. 4. Dialogue with the shadow. Imagine speaking to the part of you you've rejected. Ask what it needs. 5. Seek guidance. Therapy or spiritual practices can support you in facing deeper layers safely. The gift of the shadow. When you embrace your shadow, you unlock hidden gifts. Your anger can become strength. Your jealousy can reveal your deepest desires. Your fear can lead you toward courage. The more you integrate your hidden self, the more whole and free you become. So, instead of running from the darkness, turn toward it. Meet your shadow with love, because within it lies your power, your truth, and your light. If this message resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more guidance on your inner journey.